See body, see. But all of this, I mean all this for only 69 Ghana cedis, which is almost 70 cedis, and in dollar is $4.48, guys. Very cheap, oh, very cheap. Okay, so let me hang it here. Then I'll be taking it one and trying it on for you guys to see the beauty of these clothes. If it's your first time here, you are highly welcome. My name is Esther Liawoya. I'm a Ghanaian YouTuber, and this channel is about lifestyle, beauty, and food, and any other thing in between we are eating. So you are highly welcome. Please do want to subscribe, like, and share with family and friends. As you can see from the title, today's video is thrifting haul. I'm going to try on this clothes I got from thrifting. So I actually have someone who brings me those things, because to get a quality nice dress from thrifting, you have to wake up very early in the morning, go there, you be patient, you have to be patient, sit down for the owner of the clothes or the shop to start cutting his or her bill, selecting the clothes one after another. Then you'll be picking what you like from it. So to save me from that stress, I have someone who always bring it to me, and it's very affordable. Sometimes I marvel, because if someone goes there to pick it and bring it to you, it must be expensive, but her own, I don't know how she does it, and she has beautiful clothes, trust me. All right, so let's go through the dresses. This one, I really love this top. This is more like a shirt. This is cotton, and this one will not fade. It will not fade, guys. Just look at the quality of this top. Very nice, and I'm going to put it on for you guys to see. This is it. Let me button it very well, and even goes with my slacks. This is a very beautiful top, and I love how light it is. At the back of it, this is how the back is. Just look, very beautiful. See, this is also a top. This is red top. I love red because it looks good on me. This is long sleeve. Just look at the tip of its flare. Look, this is a very lovely top. It look good on me. This is round neck, like round V neck with a flare touch here, and I love this lacing stuff going on here. So this is how the back is, and it stretches. Even if you are bigger than me, this will definitely fit. This one is long sleeve. The material looks very new, neat, and good quality. This is how this one is. Each of the top I wore, which is the red one and the stripe mauve one, was 7 cedis plus. This one too was 7 cedis. But when we did the total, she reduced the amount for me. Okay, I have to bargain, you know. I don't have to just go in and do like I have. This high waist short, I'm going to put on. You see why our beach stuff is going to come on? See. So I'm just going to style it this way. Have you checked me? Check it from the mirror. See body, see body, see. What do you think of this outfit? Because we are rocking it to the beach. See. Okay, so this is our next outfit. This is trouser. I bought it in size 14, which has to be size 12. So the waist is a little big, but I can rock it, okay? And just look at the front. Okay, this is the style of this trousers. And it stretches. This is not that heavy. It's in the form of material. Okay, so wearing it is very easy, you know? So you see, the bum has already popped up. You see what I was talking about? I was supposed to go in for size 12, and this is size 14. No, sorry, size 10, and this is size 14. Okay, I have to put on something big, okay, to cover everywhere so that no one will see it's loose. Okay, but let me take something from my wardrobe. Okay, let's try and put on this and see how it will look. Working it with this looks nicer and no one will notice the waist is not fitting. I can equally put on belt, so no one will know it's not fit unless I say it. So this is it. Hey. This is how the style is. I don't even know how they call it, but the both sides has that cut in front of it. In here, I intentionally reserved this for the last part of this video. Sorry I not tell you, this white trousers I got it for 25 Ghana cedis. I wish I can get returned you. I got it 20 Ghana cedis, same as this one. Okay, this is Bola and I really love it. This one is in size 12 and it fits me. This is UK size 12. So if you are there and you want to give things and pay, that's size 12 or size 10. I'll wear. So let's put on this. This is our last outfit of the day and it's high waist. Just look at it. This is Bola. Let me find something in the wardrobe to match it well for you guys to see. So this one, see, this is crop top and it matches it very well because it's Bola, you know, it's not that tight. See, very loose and free to walk in. Among all the clothes I have wear, this is the best one in it. This is my best because it makes you look decent. Yeah, it's a decent outfit without showcasing anywhere. You cannot showcase anywhere because this one is very high under my breast. This cannot showcase any part of the body. So this is my best outfit among all. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. From the ones I've worn to this one, which one is your best? Type it now in the comment section. And all these outfits I got them 69 Ghana cedis. Okay, almost 70 cedis, and it's $4.48 only for all these ones I've worn. Very cheap. I don't know about you, but very cheap for me and quality as well. All right, so thank you so much for watching. Please do well to like, subscribe and share with friends and family, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye bye.